Burdened by debt and financial stress, family of 5 die by? No, this is no news reporting, and this video isn't about the financial aspect of Indian suicides, but it is about the secret of money and mental health. Getting rich begins with the way you think and what you believe about making money. Are you ready to learn the secret of money and mental health? It's no secret that poor mental health can make earning and managing money harder, and worrying about money can make your mental health worse. If you are the kind of person who is waiting for the right thing to happen, you might wait for a long time. It's like waiting for all the traffic lights to be green for 5 miles before you'll start your trip. So let's wait no more. Let's talk about the secrets. I say secret, but this fact probably doesn't surprise you at all. Every day I could give you a new list of things that would make my life better, and they all cost money. You can buy health in some ways, you can buy things that make you happy, and consequently you can buy a longer life. I'm not here to claim I'm some economic expert, because I am not. But I am here as a psychologist that thinks it's important to really consider our economic system and the privileges or lack thereof that it doles out to us. Especially when it comes to personal finance, we must keep these things in mind. Not only does it provide you perspective, but it might help you ponder some of the questions that arise when navigating your own financial situation. Financial stress happens to rank high in the graph of suicide reasons in India. So, how is it that we can limit it? As a psychologist, I've discovered that it isn't the lack of desire that held the masses back from getting wealthy, but the lack of belief in their own ability to make it happen. The way we perceive our situation has a lot to do with how the narrative unfolds. While we willingly do not wish to take the entire blame for our financial issues, we must take necessary steps to take care of our mental health, as a reminder that it's best if we improve our way of thinking about money than to give in to suicide. I'm happy to share 6 mental tricks that you can use to get ahead of your financial issues. First, tell yourself that there's no shortage of money even when you don't have enough. Please know that not being solvent enough to personally afford something is not relevant. The real question is this worth buying, investing in, or pursuing? If so, then you know money is always available because rich people are always looking for great investments and superior performers to make those investments profitable. Second, set your expectations unreasonably high. Ancient wisdom says you get what you expect, yet many people decide to limit their lives to middle-class mediocrity in an effort to protect themselves from failure. Once you set ambitious goals, you'll immediately start looking for ways to tackle them because human psychology makes us understand that champions don't wait for things to happen, they make things happen. Third, think of making money as a game. Think of business and earning as a game that you love to win. The excitement of playing the game pushes you to continually raise your level of expectation. The more excited you get, the harder you work and the more you succeed. Fourth, personify money and see it as a friend. Consider money as one of the greatest allies and friends. It is a friend that has the power to end sleepless nights of worry, physical pain, and can even save your life. Stop seeing money as a never-ending necessary evil that must be endured as part of life. Fifth, block out fear. The great ones are operating at a level of consciousness where fear doesn't exist. At this level of thought, anything seems possible. Every dream that seems crazy to the masses looks surprisingly doable. To operate at this level, you have to be willing to leave your comfort zone, which is exactly what you've got to do. World-class thinkers learn early on that becoming a millionaire isn't easy and the need for comfort can be devastating. They learn to be comfortable while operating in a state of ongoing uncertainty. Sixth, tell yourself that getting rich is natural. Success, fulfillment, and happiness are the natural order of existence. This single belief drives the great ones to behave in ways that virtually guarantee their success. Stop being one of the masses who think they aren't worthy of great wealth. Instead of thinking, "Who am I to become a millionaire?" try asking, "Why not me? After all, that's what the wealthiest people do. Pledge to take charge of your mind with the help of a mental health expert. You control your mind and your mind controls your money. Put an end on suicidal thoughts, not an end to your financial growth.